Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to read someone's WhatsApp messages without them knowing. Now, WhatsApp basically notifies senders that their messages has been received and read. So first of all, just open up the WhatsApp application on your mobile and then just open a conversation. What I'm going to do is how you can actually be able to enable this particular option and then read those messages without the sender actually knowing. Now, just tap on these three bars in the upper right corner and then tap on settings. You will see this privacy option. Just tap on this privacy. You will see this option read receipts. So right there you need to turn this particular option off. Once you turn this off, now I'm going to be sending a couple of messages with my account. The messages will be received and read. Let's see if it's going to be marked that it has been read or not. If I send the messages like this, so I send two separate messages, and if I go to my second profile here, you can see I have received messages and I seen it. If we go for this, you can see there is no blue tick. It's actually been read. It's not going to be show. You can actually be disable this particular option of read receipts, and then you can be able to read messages without the sender knowing. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.